Introducing Anastasia Pokreshchuck from the Ukraine, who is so addicted to face filler she even does it on herself. Before you go and think, why would anyone do this? Well, Anastasia said that her face filler actually gets her more romantic attention and makes her more confident. What is gravy, fam? This is IO, I'm Charlotte O'Reilly. Like, subscribe, follow Potato, let's get into the news. Anastasia claims that face filler gives her confidence, and although it definitely looks like one of those nightmare plastic surgery experiences, she has no regrets about it. She claims that before she pumped up her face with filler, she was, quote, a gray mouse. Okay. Here is the before and after. The left is what she used to look like, the right is what she looks like now. I mean, call me crazy, but I feel like she was beautiful. Like, I don't feel like she looked like a gray mouse at all. But I guess with something like confidence, it's all based on your own personal feelings about yourself. 31-year-old Anastasia used to be ashamed about herself. She was even ashamed of her voice. She said, "I think I was ugly before. My mom thinks that I was naturally beautiful before, but now thinks I look more exotic, and my friends say my new appearance is better because before I looked like a gray mouse." Sorry, Anastasia, sorry to break it to you, but those people aren't your friends if they said that about you, I'm just saying. I guess what do I really know though? Since getting addicted to fillers, she says she's gotten more romantic attention. And I don't know if that's because of the face filler or maybe it's more due to the fact that she's grown more confident about herself. She's gotten a huge online following because of her face filler as well. She has 158,000 followers on Instagram. All in all, she spent over $2,000 US on face filler. Listen, I'm all for doing whatever you want in order to feel more confident. I have no problem with plastic surgery, botox, fillers, any of it. If you want to change something about yourself in order to become more confident, do it! But you should definitely do your research and know the risks, especially with something like face filler, and also with something like DIY face filler. Dermal filler does have risks associated with it. It can actually move around your face over time if you get too much of it. So it won't stay put where you put it. Look at the doctor that exposed Jaclyn Hill. I mean, there's something called filler fatigue that's becoming more common, where if someone has too much filler, it stretches and weighs down the skin over time, which means you need more and more of it every time you go to the doctor, and that stretches your tissue even more. It is a vicious cycle. All of this stretching is not good for your skin. In fact, it can make you age over time because according to facial plastic surgeon Andrew Giacono, those tissues aren't going to bounce back the same way as you get older. New York-based plastic surgeon Michelle Yagoda said that once filler is gone, if it's absorbed or dissolved, it leaves behind a space that actually requires more filler to stay inflated. You essentially create a hollow pocket in your face, and every time you fill it, it gets bigger, and you need more each time, which could be why Anastasia's face looked the way it does. There's also the danger that face filler can move around and weigh the face down. And with regards to DIY face fillers, well, you're just increasing the risk that something will go wrong. Dr. Alex Cartas, who appeared on Britain's This Morning to talk to Anastasia, said, quote, "There is a reason why injectable fillers are administered by experienced practitioners. There's a huge amount of skill and knowledge required. There's always complications that can occur even in experienced hands." But Anastasia pays no mind. She claims she's learning about it online. I'm just worried about what she's gonna look like over time, to be honest. I feel like it's only gonna get worse. For anyone considering face filler or any other procedure, just make sure you do your research, go to a licensed professional, and don't do it yourself. Tell me your thoughts on this one down in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap this one up with some comment features. Toxic Art said, "I love how Charlotte is the only person that can call me a potato without me getting offended." It's a compliment. Romeo Curry said, "I'm here to hear this thought-provoking subject led by my queen. I love you, Charlotte." Yes, very thought-provoking, always. I only talk about very serious subjects, like dermal face filler. That's it for me. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.